everyone, it is Susan here, and let's just plan. I just wanted to pop on and do a super quick video where I'm going to add my name to the first page in my dashboard planner, and I'm going to use this flower sticker mega pack. I'm going to speed up just a little bit here, and I took my page out of my planner, and I am trying to decide whether I should use just Susan or my full name. And I decided to use my full name. It fit perfectly, you know, in a bigger planner like this. I think it's fine to have your full name because there's plenty of space there. And I'm really happy that when I printed out these names a couple weeks ago, I did print using this particular color. So I did already go through the stickers, and I like these stickers in the back here. I like that, well, there's different color blues on here, but see, that blue is more of a teal, and that blue is more of a blue. So I thought that these were pretty. But I didn't decide exactly which that I wanted to use, so let's just take a look. Okay, I'm going to start with a bigger sticker, and then I may or may not add more. I think I know exactly what I'm going to do. All right, so I'm going to go over to this page, and I'm thinking this sticker right here. That's what I'm thinking. I think that that would be super pretty. So I'm going to start with it. Let's just do it, right? All right, so this is like the perfect sticker. I like it to where the leaves are pointing upwards so that they're not going to go over my name. So now I have to decide, well, do I want it here in the middle? And I could just place one, you know, this one sticker down and be done with it. Or do I want to put it on one of the sides? Like, what is it that I want to do here? If I put it on one of the sides, or, oh my gosh, even on the bottom. Ooh. You know what? Wait a minute. I think I like it down here. You know what? I'm going to put it, I think, on the side over here. Oh, yeah. Because then I'll be able to put more up top. It's not covering any words, right? There's just a little itsy bitsy smidge hanging off the edge over there. So let me get that off. All right, so now we have that. Love it. Think it's perfect. Need more, right? Because I need something up on top. So if we go back to this, like I could pull something like this in that has the other blue. This one's pretty too. This is super pretty. Or I can go with something here, or a couple things. This is like such a hard decision because they're all really beautiful. So like this one right here, I really like. It is paper, but I think that's going to be perfect for up there. So let's give this a try, and let's add it up here, which I think is perfect. Go up just a little bit. Perfect. Ooh, I like it. And I'm thinking, you know what? I don't want to go overboard. I like it because you could almost feel like, I don't know if you're like me, I like things to feel even. And I could kind of feel like, oh my gosh, I need something over here. I could, but then I feel like I'm going to go overboard on the stickers. And the reason I say that is because I do have all this color down here. I have the color up here. I think it evens it out. But let me know what you think of this. Isn't that beautiful? How it just pulls the colors from, you know, the colors already on the paper. Super cute. Super cute. I love it. Yeah. Let me know what you think. All right. Thank you, everybody. Have a blessed week. Alrighty. Bye-bye.